Kaido and I'm Customer and Travel Experience Development Manager at Tallink Grupp. I'm more than happy to welcome you on the brightest star of the Baltic Sea called MyStar. MyStar is the latest addition in Tallink Grupp fleet on Baltic Sea. MyStar is more than 200 meters long, more than 30 meters wide, and MyStar will take more than 2,800 passengers at the time on board.
This ship is like a small city. You have transport hub, hotel, multiple shops and restaurants in one compact place. Hundreds of displays on board of Tallink MyStar have to work seamless and flawless under different scenarios and the harsh conditions in an open sea. To answer this challenge, Samsung brought in experience gathered over multiple years from different projects. So our specialists worked closely with Tallink and partner LinkPoint during planning, designing, installation and integration of those beautiful displays.
In MyStar we have more than 200 points of the signage screens on the public area. Altogether we have 465 screens and 250 cabinets of LED screens on board. More common use cases for the signage screens is of course our retail areas, environment setting or the mood setting. Very important thing is safety related. At any certain moment we can share the messages on all of our screens. We use signage screens for the sitting lounge, news, sports, bars, pubs. Very important thing of our group is the content management on the screen. We actually have 12 ships in our fleet, we have 5 harbors, we have 4 hotels, we have more than 15 Burger King's restaurants across the Baltics. We have altogether a bit more than 1,000 screens. Important is efficiency, and it will be efficient when we do it in one solution. Here where the Samsung MagicInfo will come to play. Every new Burger King restaurant, every new spot we will do, we always have MagicInfo as a signage screens content management system. The hardware maintenance, monitoring, all those things we can do it remotely. MyStar is second ship of our fleet that has designed signage in mind. It was continuous discussion through different locations and different type of screen, how to install it, what to keep in mind. That all this communication was to achieve the longest lifespan that you can have. One solution for all the screens. This is through which we will win and find efficiency. The cooperation with Samsung, if I will need to do it again with a new ship, so no hesitation, Samsung it is.